Noble Energy is just absolutely kicking it out of the park today. They have joined Greeley Weld Habitat for Humanity to help a deserving veteran family own their own habitat home.
Food Bank of the Rockies is the largest food bank in the state of Colorado. Without food, families can't thrive. Partners like Noble Energy are really critical to our ability to accomplish our mission. Without their help, there was no way that we could distribute 60 million pounds of food to the community.
Barnum is a community school. We haven't had a partnership like this where volunteers have come in and just been so generous with their time.
It means a great deal to me that Noble allows us as employees to come out to the community on a work day.
They planted 3 new trees on our playground. They've repainted all of our blacktop.
Sweat equity of helping people, roll up our sleeves today, whether it's at a food bank or at a school, or we're planting and gardening, or like we're doing here today with the first aid kits.
Noble is a company that cares. We care about the places we work, we care about the places we live, and giving back to our community is just a core value of what we do every day.
For the past 4 years, we've had this wonderful relationship with Noble. Noble Energy has sent associates each year. Started with 10, today I think we're at 120.
I have seen oil and gas impact education, hunger relief, in our case, stable and affordable shelter.
We care about Colorado because this is our backyard.